the Silvermines in County Tipperary. That's where we're going today, lads. I just did a full intro already and I realised I forgot to use the mic. So, yeah, I'm recording again. Hello, but today we are bringing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for another whack again. Sorry, the tripod isn't very stable, so you're going to be rocking around the place. Shit, I got to open the gate. Give me a sec. Yeah, do you mind dropping the drawbridge, please?
We're sorry, but we could not connect your call. Please try again later.
Bitch. But yeah, sorry. God damn, this intro is terrible. We are going to the Silvermines walk in County Tipperary, which is an hour away from here. So we're going to go get ourselves a Mickey D's to start and a cup of coffee, and then we are on the road. So I'll check in with you there in a few minutes. Good luck.
Hey, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a Mighty McMuffin meal, please, with a large latte?
Yeah, do you want brown sauce or ketchup?
Ketchup, please.
Yeah, anything else?
No, that's it.
Grand, that's it, your order then. Thanks.
Thank you. Mickey D's has been acquired, and I gotta eat it quickly because I'm behind schedule. It is approximately 20 past 8, and James texts me saying he'll be there for 9. So, James, when you're watching this YouTube video, I apologise, but look, James, I can't drive and eat at the same time. I'm trying to record as well. It's suicide, all right? It's dangerous. I can't do that. So I'm stopped. I'm eating. And then we'll drive straight to the car park. Now for the main course. Look at the grease dripping out of that bitch. God damn. Here we go, look. I'm sorry. Slippy, if you're watching, I'm sorry, my friend. Oh man. Oh. Man, do you ever get that feeling after eating? Specifically at McDonald's. Oh. Alright, let's hit the road. Talk to you in the car park. Drive safe, everyone.
Try to figure out, is that the other car park we passed?
Yeah.
Yellow.
So which one are we doing? The one on All Trails is straight across and back.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so I know where that goes.
This loop is 4.3 kilometers.
Right. Hello again, we're on the move. There's Shani and Gilbert up ahead looking. Two big boys, Big Jim back at it again by round 2. No, just talking to myself back here. So yeah, we think we know where we're going, but we'll figure it out. So we're fucking near the top already, it feels. We drove up some height before getting to the car park, so yeah, I should have something on the screen. There we go, you're nice and clean now. Hey, I'll update you in a few minutes. No, boys, look at this. Look at this, lads. We're just starting now. Just came over the hill. And this is our first view. It is very cold. Very, very cold. Let's see what Big Jim's looking at here. So, we were going the wrong way. James, do you want to take the mic and fill us in on the Silvermines?
I don't know much of the history in fairness.
Tell us what you do know.
But according to the sign, the mining started dating back in the Roman times, and according to Wikipedia,
Which is correct.
which is always correct, there was proper mining starting in the 1300s by a couple of Italians
Italians. Bastards.
coming over stealing our ore.
Taking our shit. Who are they? The English? Sorry.
That's about it.
That's as much as we know. We know we were going the wrong way as well. But we're walking back now, fixing it. Silvermines, historically known as Bellagown, or in Irish, Bail Gown, is a village in County Tipperary in Ireland. It lies immediately north of the Silvermine mountain range, which is where we are at the moment, and it takes its name from the extensive mines of lead, zinc, copper, barite and silver that were nearby.
The earliest record of mining in the district was from 1289, but was very short-lived. Mining resumed in the 17th century and continued intermittently until 1874. It restarted back in 1949, and shortly after, a world-class deposit of barite was found, and open-cast mining of this began in 1963 by Mag Cobar Ireland Limited. Soon after, a multi-million ton ore body grading around 11% combined lead and zinc was also discovered. This was worked underground from 1968 to 1982 by Mogul of Ireland Limited. And the Mag Cobar mine closed in September 1992, and its extensive soil heaps are a prominent local landmark visible for miles. What the fuck is a mile?
It is windy as a bitch up here. Hold on. This is where I'm going now. I don't know if you can see down there, but Jim and Shani are down there. Sorry for the wind, it's really... Jeez, I thought I lost my mic there. It's pretty windy. So yeah, I might I might take it easy this side because I'm literally going blind here. I'll get you when we get to the cover at the far side. I'll give you some views, but check this out. In the meantime, look at this. Right, we're down that big hump. We're down here in the middle into some cover of wind. Hey lads. I was saying to the lads I couldn't see shit coming over. My eyes constantly watering. But yeah, this is going to be good fun going up. So we went down that, which was pretty steep. Now we just got to do the same the far side. And we'll be up higher again, so I'll update you when we... Oh shit, my hat! Bug! Hold on. Oh. Hey, come back here, you. Oh. God damn. Son. Alright, I'll update you at the far side. Good luck. We are at the far side. Starting to tackle this hill. A bit steeper than I thought it was going to be. But we'll get to the top there in a minute.
Hello dear viewer, it is me, RG Daxter aka Riggy D. I just want to thank you for watching this video. What do you think of the quality, lads? I recorded this in D-Log, so I'm after color grading the picture. I think it looks pretty cool. Big shout out to Irina who helped me out with it. And back to the stuff.
Another peak. This is what's ahead of us. That's one of the mines down there. You can't really see it. But yeah, it's very windy up here, as you can tell. I'm just barely holding on to my hat. And I'm crying a lot. There's Big Jim in the background, look at him. There he is now. Well, how you doing?
How you doing?
Woo! It is windy, alright. Some view. Let's go out over there actually. See those mountains? They're like humps.
Yeah.
It's like the edge of the world because everything exactly after that is completely gone in terms of viewing.
That's Shannon over there. That's those mountains. There's a big body of water, no?
Yeah, yeah. Is that behind this as well, I wonder?
Yeah.
She in Maine. Man! God damn. I ditched the hat. Man, it is windy up here. Let's see. God damn. Hopefully you'll be able to see the colours. And you'll be able to hear me. Apologies. So we think over there is our peak. That's where we're going to, and then we turn around and come back. But God damn, it's pretty windy. I can't really, whoa, can't really see. But I'll update you in a few minutes when the wind calms down a bit. Good luck. Alright, we're just we're just taking some cover here for a minute. hope that this dies down a bit because we are getting beaten. I couldn't keep my glasses on my face.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
And I had to put this away because it's not waterproof. Huh?
That isn't me again with the fucking...
No, I don't think so. But yeah, we're going to chill here for a few minutes and then get back on it. So good luck.
Hey lads, there's a music section coming up here in a second with just some highlights from the climb, but I just want to give a shout out to the artist. Their name is Culprit and the name of the song is Whispers, and it's one of my faves, so enjoy.
We are nearly there. We are nearly at the nipple. So the hardest thing about this walk is it's so boggy and there's just water everywhere, so you're constantly watching your steps, jumping over shit. Sorry I'm sniffling the whole time in these videos, guys. As soon as there's wind, I just can't handle it. My nose is like a tap. It just turns on, but yeah, this is where we are now. Boys are up ahead. Check out the views. Pretty cool. But we're going to continue on. We're nearly at the end. And then we turn around and go back. Oh yeah, and I am nicely soaked because I absolutely sunk into a spot when I stood in it. Good fun. Right, this is good though. Bit of crack, something different. Hey, tune in a few minutes when we're near the nipple. Although the boys are holding up for me here, so see what they're at. Alright, give us a sec. Right. We're nearly at the nipple. There it is in all its glory. We're nearly there, but between here and there it's a lot of dirt. Oh shite. And yeah, it's gonna be good. We'll probably be there in like 10 minutes. And then I'll show you a video from that spot. There they are, the boys. The tip boy. Right. That's it. That's it right there. That is the nipple. And look, this is what we've been going through. Some crack, but we're there now. We've done it. Easy. Relatively easy walk apart from this shit. Fuck. How do I... Oh no! Fuck! Bollocks! Oh well, there's the sock a bit more wet. Hey, here we go. The final walk up to the nipple. Enjoy. Oh shit. Here, this is the nipple, which is just a stack of rocks that apparently people put up here, but yeah, made it to the top. Relatively easy walk, apart from how waterlogged it was. Like, My feet are soaked, so are these lads. But good crack. Beautiful up here. Over there is a lot higher, and we were saying we think we were actually at a much higher elevation on the way over there, but this is where we came from. We walked all the way along here, and now that we've got to here, sorry for the wind, now that we've got to here, I'm gonna take a few pictures and then head back, and I'll record some shit on the way. Hope you guys enjoyed the walk up. Fresh. Okay, we are en route again. Face track, please work. Maybe not. We're en route again, back through the dirt. Back to the car. But yeah, hear that, lads? Damn right, you hear nothing. Because we're in shade. Shade from that wind. But by God, it's going to be in our back on the way back, which is nice. In the back on the way back. But yeah, this is good crack. I enjoy the... we were both saying we enjoy the wind. Makes you feel like you're on a mountain, but the fucking rain was painful. Especially because we had hailstones as well. Is that chewing gum?
John chewing gum?
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're in the car.
Ah, Jesus, never mind.
Sorry.
Oh gee. Oh yeah, here we go, look at this. Oh man. Onwards we go. Hello, just checking in. As James was saying at the start of the walk, there is mines around here, but no mines to be seen, Jim, on this walk. It's because you're going along the top. I'd imagine the mines are down in either the kind of valley between us or down the opposite side. But there is, if you actually look up Silvermines on YouTube and search for Tipperary, you'll see there is actually mines that you can go into, but we don't know how to get there or if it's part of the walk. And I think if you do want to get to it on the walk, you have to go quite a bit off the beaten track to get there, so we won't be doing that today. But man, it is fresh as hell today, and this is fun. I'm glad I got to go out here and test this camera. We're recording in D-Log for most of the day too, by the way, so I get to color grade this for the first time and see what that's like, which is going to be fun. So yeah, if you enjoyed, please let me know. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of Drowned Rat Dax. Right, check in soon. I was just thinking there, said it to Shan, this is the only bit on the whole trail that there's actually like rock. See this? Everywhere else is just dirt. Nothing but shite you're walking in. But it's good. We're having a good time. Wind in our back. We're making... Okay, yeah, we're back to the dirt. We're making strides. Look at this, the immediate change to this shit. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus. She's not good. Hey, we're nearly back on top of the highest point I think we walked over, and as you can tell, the wind is picking up quite nicely again, and I think once we get over this hump it's going to be very windy, but we'll be on the home stretch then. Excuse me. And yeah, I'm thoroughly drenched, which look, we all are. We all are. Look at them. Look at the boys up ahead. Look at them go. Fair play to them boys. Fair play. Okay, I just came over the hump. This bit is pretty cool, so I wanted to show you. Look at this. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look. Well, James, how are you holding up?
Yeah, pretty good.
Doing pretty well. Fair calm here. We're on a different mountain, Shan. Oh, goddamn, right. Here we go. Another one of these. Oh shit. Another one of these to tackle, and then let's see where we're at. Get some momentum going here. Hey, I'm just recording here because in my opinion I think this is the coolest spot of the whole walk. This downward hill bit. This is cool as hell. It's like really steep here. Just drops down into a really big little fucking dig. Deep dip right there, and comes up, and it's starting to rain. This thing is not waterproof, so I'm putting you away. If anything pops up, I'll record on my phone. Good news, everyone. We made it out of the boggy section. As soon as I say that, look at this shite. But from here back, it's pretty solid ground from what we remember, apart from this bit. And yeah, at least we're not going to get more wet than we already are. But I really like this bit. Ooh. I think this bit looks so cool with the two humps, two hills, and then the big hill. So you have this one, and then there's that one there, and then the one in the distance. I don't know if you can really see that on camera, but it's really cool. It looks so cool from back there, just looking down this way with this in the background. It was really, really cool. So, man, this has been a good walk. We've done 11,000 steps, which it does not feel like that. 11,000. And we'll probably have maybe 14,000 steps done in the end, but I think the whole way out and back, it says it's 10k, but I don't think we did the full all the way out. So I say we probably went 3.5k out and 3.5k back. So you're looking at, if my maths are correct, you're looking at a 7k walk right there. And look at this, this is cool. It's just so steep. And then when you get up here, just over this, there's another hump. So let's see. Let's get some cool shot here coming up, look. Oh shit. Look at this. Boom. Unbelievable stuff. Hey, hello again. We are over the hill. And in fact, that's the hardest bit of the walk, and we said that on the way out. We were thinking it's going to be tough on the way back, which it was. But we're pretty much done now. So just walk down this bit, back to the car, and we are ready to go home. Lads, what time is it? It is 11:30, 11:30. So early day. We got to go home early. 12, okay, midday. Got to go home early, edit this video, see what it looks like in D-Log. I can't wait.
Hi lads, I'd like to interrupt you here to say that the fact that you cannot edit 10-bit video with the DaVinci Resolve Free Edition is the biggest pile of shit.
Or coloured D-Log, colour graded. But yeah, thanks again for joining me. Sorry, this I feel like this one wasn't as scenic as Cumshingon, but the wind and the rain made it more of an adventure than Cumshingon. And we're going to go back to Cumshingon eventually anyway and do the full walk, and we'll record it on this. And who knows, if Budgie comes with us, he'll also have his drone, so we'll get some really sick footage. But yeah, we're nearly back to the car, and I'll tune in then. Thank you. Please hold. Hello, we are back at the car. Back at the car park anyway. So, thanks for joining us, guys. This was a really fun walk. Got fucking drenched. I'm not too wet now, but my socks are soaked. So, it was still fun. Highly recommend Silvermines in County Tipperary. There was no mines. You need to go down into the valley, but there was, let me tell you, there was a hill. There was a hill or two and a lot of water and stuff like that. But overall, had a really good time. Let's see if the boys here have any closing statements from themselves. Jim, Shan, any Any closing statements for the video? Shane says good way. Say that again.
It was a good way to spend a Saturday.
James.
It's a great way to spend the Saturday.
Yeah, this is awkward. Knock and roll wood, lads. Knock on wood. Okay, hello. Back at the car. Welcome. Thanks for joining me, guys, for the knock and roll wood walk. Well, technically it wasn't a knock and roll wood walk because we didn't really go through the woods. We kind of did some of the knock and roll wood walk and then we went just across the mountain. So there you go. But hopefully the footage was pretty good. Sorry it wasn't, it's probably not going to be as good as I like because I wanted to record a lot more, but man, it was rainy as hell today and windy and it was just tough, and this thing isn't waterproof. So yeah, hopefully our next walk, if we get some decent weather, I'll be able to get way more cinematic shots. But hopefully still you guys enjoyed yourselves. Yeah, give me some feedback if you have it. Let me know what the video looks like now that I'm using color grading. And yeah, thanks for Shane and James. If you're watching this, lads, thanks for the invite. Really good crack. And until next time, look after yourselves. And thanks for watching. Good luck.